I feel like maybe I should be prefacing this by saying I've been shopping a lot lately. This was accumulated over X amount of time, blah, 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 blah. I don't know why I've been shopping so much. Maybe I'm trying to fill a void in my life. Maybe this is just the new normal. I've been shopping a ton, girl, and I have some products to show you. Unfortunately for my wallet, I really have been shopping a lot. So I actually am going to have 2 hauls. The first one is going to be this, which is a drugstore Ulta haul. And then we're going to be doing a high-end haul / MAC a little bit later. For now, hi, how are you? Let's get started on this haul. I have a lot here. Seriously. The first thing I really want to talk about was the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. e.l.f. was having their half off. I feel like they do it twice a year where they do everything 50% off. I really didn't want to get too much because I feel like I just placed a really big e.l.f. order earlier in the year. I really just saw this brush and I was like, I really want that, and I went to Walmart and it was full price. I would rather spend $3 and get this full price though than spend $30 to get a crap ton of products I just don't need. So this is the Flawless Concealer Brush. So far I have not used it for concealer. I have just used it for eyeshadow. If you want a really, really nice fluffy blending brush for the crease, this is incredible. It covers so much surface area. It just fits in here really well. It blends things very, very easily, and I think that it distributes product very nicely. I just really have been liking it, and again, I have not used it for concealer. Really like it for eyeshadow though. Getting into this, let's just talk about NYX first, because that's what I have a crap ton of. First, I got the NYX Dewy Finish Makeup Setting Spray. You guys have seen this in a couple of videos already, but I just really wanted this back in my life. I love this makeup setting spray. I feel it's very, very comparable to Urban Decay Chill. I think I did like a head-to-head video of that earlier in the year. I'll link it down below if you want to watch it. But I really love this stuff. It is great, and it is a really good setting spray. NYX was 40% off when I placed this order, by the way. And then I got the NYX Matte Bronzer. I got this in the color medium. I have been looking for a drugstore alternative to my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, which I use for contouring on a daily basis, so I wound up getting this bad boy. Very, very, very similar. Actually, let me go ahead and grab my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil and just show you side by side. Yeah. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil is a touch less warm almost, and maybe a little bit deeper. Very similar other than that though. Obviously this one smells like chocolate. I do prefer the texture on Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. It is very similar though. So this bronzer is just lovely. And I think it's going to be nice for contouring. Hopefully you guys can see because I am super tan right now. I don't even know what happened. Went a little bit heavy-handed when I did my last spray tan. I think it regularly retails for like right around $8. I'll make sure to have it. I always have products that I mentioned linked down below, so make sure to go down there if you want it. Totally worth the full price. But if you can't get it on a sale, that's good too, girl. And then I got the NYX Illuminator in the color Ritualistic. They came out with a new shade of this, which is Ritualistic, obviously, and I thought it looked so similar to my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Lightscapade. Again, these are products I have that I'm trying to find cheaper alternatives for. So many of you tell me, you know, you just straight up cannot afford the things that I use as my base, so I did want to find options for you. Ritualistic is a really great pale buttery highlight. The texture on this is just lovely, and look at the pigmentation. Oh, it's so good. Seriously, so good. And again, 40% off, but I think it retailed for right around $8. Totally worth that if you want a nice highlight. A few NYX lippies. What else is freaking new? The first one that I got is a round lipstick. I really got some across the board this order, and this is the color Narcissus. Oh man, I am having a brain fart. Why can't I pronounce that? But it's just a really light, milky blue toned pink. And I'll go ahead and swatch that for you guys. I think that for the price, these round lipsticks are amazing. And no, they don't have like the lasting power of some other things, but they are really good for the price. And the pigmentation and the color selection is awesome. So then I got the matte lipstick in the color Hippie Chic. I really want the Black Label lipstick in India because ShanXO always talks about it. But I did think that this looked semi-similar, and I have heard her talk about this one too. I love the color on this, and it looks very similar to a new lipstick I got from MAC that cost a crap ton more. So Really beautiful if you want a nice summer lipstick that's in that cool pastel neon color. You need it in your life. I then got the NYX Macaroon lipstick in the color Orange Blossom, which, as you can tell, ba-bam, bright orange. I like this because I'm really scared of the darker oranges, but I feel, sorry, that was a really bad swatch. I feel that this one is a touch more pastel and maybe it's a little bit easier to wear. On the lips mixed with your natural lip color, this looks so pretty. I was shocked at how nice this looked on my lips because it just looks terrifying straight out of the tube, right? But I thought that it could be a cool way to wear that orange lip and just do it a little bit, I don't know, more easily, more wearably. Okay, so what else do I have here? Let's get into, well, I have a couple miscellaneous and then I have a couple Ulta brand. The first miscellaneous product I got for my middle school makeup tutorial, and it is the Baby Lips Dr. Rescue in the color Just Peachy. Okay, I had one of these, I lost the cap, it dried out in my purse, and I got another one finally. So I really love the color on this, and it's a beautiful lip color. Not just like a lip balm, it's actually a really beautiful lip color. And again, I got this because I think it would be a really easy thing to wear in that middle school makeup tutorial, and also because I really wanted it. I hate the regular baby lips. I love the medicated baby lips. I think that the pigmentation on these is so much better. The texture is so much nicer. Lovely, 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 lovely. And then I actually have two concealers here to show you. The first is my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I've been running really low on this for a while. I ran out when I did my makeup today, so I'm really happy to have my brightener back in my little hands. I love this concealer so much. Not a whole lot to say on it. It is just a really nice concealer, and I'm a big fan of it. You don't get a whole heck of a lot in the actual tube and it runs out real fast. Totally worth the money though. The other concealer I picked up is the Rimmel Wake Me Up. They are always out of my color whenever I go to look for this, so I got the color Very Fair / Light because it was finally in stock and I wanted it. So yeah. I really want the Wake Me Up foundation too, but I need to order that off of ASOS or ASOS.com because they don't sell that in the States. I don't know if they ever will, but I'm really excited to try this because a lot of people have said this is really good. Actually, let me swatch this on my hand. I am just swatching everything today. Yeah, it's really full coverage, and it has that slightly peachy tone to it, so I think it's going to be great for dark circles, as well as highlighting on the face. Okay, Ulta had a humongatoid sale, and I was super excited about it. I really enjoy the Ulta brand products. Believe it or not, there are truly some gems in the Ulta brand line that I feel like people never talk about. The first really inexpensive thing I got, both of these for $1, was the Automatic Lip Pencil in the color Bear. And again, since this was $1 and I don't actually have a nude lip liner, I thought this would be a great time to just get one. I mean, the pigmentation on it is just really, really nice, and I just needed a nude lip liner, so I got that one. Then I got the Automatic Eyeliner in the color Cobalt, which I love this shade of blue so much. I have a vision in mind for the look I want to do with this. I really want more of these so badly. Look at that. Beautiful. And that was just 1 or 2 swipes across the hand. So those are what I got. And then I also got these, and this was the main reason for my big Ulta order, because these were on sale for $5 a piece. Emily Noel 83 talks about these constantly. I'm actually not going to swatch them because I'm doing a review on them very soon. I need to really form an opinion on them. I have not worn them on the face, but I have 3 of the colors. They only have 3 right now. This is Muse. And if you were going to get one, I think that Muse is the most versatile. It has the deepest bronzer, the nicest, in my opinion, highlight shade, and it has the nicest blush color. Then I also got the color Astoria? I don't know. And this one is great for fairer skin tones. That bronzer, I will swatch it, not deep at all. So if you are very, very fair, this could be incredible for you. And it just looks really nice. That blush would be gorgeous on more mature skin tones as well. Then I got the color Rosette, which is just obviously adorable. It has a really light pinkish highlight, that cool tone blush, and then a bronzer. So I got those. Again, I'm not going to swatch those because I am going to be doing a review on them so freaking soon. I thought that that could be a cool thing to throw in a giveaway too, if they were really good. And then I got some samples. I thought I'd talk about it. I just got the usual foil packet samples, and then they included the Matrix Exquisite Oil micro oil shampoo. I love Biolage so much, so I'm excited to have this because Matrix is a part of Biolage. So I thought that that was a great sample size. And then because I spent $35, I got this little Big Sexy hair set, and with it came the Color Safe Volumizing Conditioner as well as the shampoo. The Spray and Play Volumizing Hairspray, great sizes. Seriously, this is going to be fantastic to travel with, as well as a Blow Dry Volumizing Gel. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and until next time, I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.